Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and today's video let me go ahead and show you how to solve your heart rate feature is not working on your Fitbit Inspire 2. So there are a lot of people are complaining that while they're just measuring their heart rate, well, the heart rate is showing that too high problem, and sometimes the heart rate monitor doesn't work, and sometimes it just showing them that a grayed out problem. At the same time, if you have a problem with your heart rate sensor, just watch this video to learn some easy and quick steps to solve your problem. So let's get started. Now, if you want to solve the problem, the very first things that we're going to talk about is you gotta just force restart your watch, or you can simply restart your watch just to check whether it helps you or not. Now, if you want to do that first, all you want to do, you want to open up your settings, and then you want to scroll down a little, and you'll be able to see this option called Reboot Device. Tap on there and press and hold your screen for about 3 seconds unless your device goes turned off. Now let's say you have done doing the forced restart or restart on your device, but it's still, when you just start to come on to your heart rate features over there, well, it doesn't work. Now, if you want to solve that problem, next thing that you want to do, you want to just tap and hold or press and hold this both side touch button on your watch unless it shows you the waterlock screen. Now scroll down here and you have to keep scrolling unless it shows you on clip option. Tap on there and now scroll down and simply mark this option, allow all features. Then you have to scroll down and make sure your one wrist is appearing over there, and make sure you're actually turning these features off from here. After that, now get out of here and open up your settings. And now check for the heart rate features. Now make sure your heart rate is turned on. If you see it's turned up, be sure to turn it on. And now all you gotta do, you gotta just put your watch on your wrist and check your heart rate. So after doing all the process, you will be able to measure your heart rate just by using your Fitbit Inspire 2 watch. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.